Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix haptic touch not working on iPhone in iOS 26. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check haptic touch setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on accessibility. Select touch. Choose haptic touch or 3D and haptic touch. Adjust the touch duration to the enter fast or slow depending on your preference. Solution number 2. Enable vibration and system haptic. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to accessibility. Select on touch. Make sure vibration is turned on. Go back to the main setting page and scroll down. Tap sound and haptics. Turn on system haptics. Also check that vibrate on ring and vibrate on silent are enabled if needed. Solution number 3. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on general. Scroll down and select transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Choose reset all setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Confirm again by typing reset all setting in the pop-up window. And that's it guys. I hope this video helped you fix the haptic touch not working issue on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.